In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best garbage disposals available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the garbage disposals list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the garbage disposals mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, Food Waste Disposer Residue Garbage Grinder. Versatile grinder tackles a variety of scraps, keeping your kitchen clean and hygienic. From vegetable peelings to leftover meals, this grinder efficiently reduces waste to manageable particles, ensuring a hassle-free cleanup process. Its robust construction and reliable performance make it a dependable solution for busy households looking to streamline their kitchen maintenance. With its easy-to-clean design and compact footprint, it's the perfect addition to any kitchen, providing efficient waste disposal for years to come. Number 4, Energy-Saving 700W Motor Food Waste Disposer. Eco-friendly design with fast and easy mount technology for efficient waste reduction. Save on energy costs while maintaining powerful performance with this innovative disposal unit. Its energy-saving 700W motor ensures efficient waste disposal, making it an environmentally conscious choice for any kitchen. With its easy installation and quiet operation, it's the perfect addition to any modern kitchen, offering convenience and sustainability in one compact package. Number 3, 560W Kitchen Food Waste Disposer with 10 years warranty, durable stainless steel grinder with a long-term warranty for reliable performance. Enjoy peace of mind with a warranty-backed disposal solution, designed for efficient waste elimination. With its powerful 560W motor, this disposer effortlessly tackles food scraps, reducing them to easily manageable particles and preventing clogs in your kitchen sink. Its compact design and easy installation make it a practical choice for any kitchen, providing reliable performance for years to come. Number 2, Remote Control Kitchen Garbage Processor. Advanced stainless steel blades with remote operation for hassle-free waste disposal. Say goodbye to manual operation and hello to convenience with this modern garbage processor. Its sleek design and remote control functionality make it a standout addition to any kitchen, offering effortless waste management at your fingertips. With its durable construction and efficient performance, it's the perfect choice for busy households seeking a convenient and hygienic solution for waste disposal. Number 1, German 1200W Motor Food Waste Disposer, high-powered disposal system with septic assist for efficient garbage management. This top-of-the-line disposer effortlessly grinds tough scraps, ensuring a clean and odor-free kitchen environment. Its German-engineered motor provides reliable performance and durability for long-term use, making it an essential addition to any household. With its sleek design and quiet operation, it seamlessly integrates into your kitchen, offering a convenient and hygienic solution for waste disposal.